Hey guys, today we are going to make DIY out of this old bottles. The very first thing we need to do is to cut the bottle like this. You can cut it with the help of knife or cutter. We will work on the first bottle. I am melting the TT crayons and creating a base by pouring it on the lower side of the bottle. Now I am heating the next color and pouring it on the random side of bottle vertically, so it looks like this, and go on doing this with another colors. You can try some bright colors to give it nice texture and look, and it is ready to use now. You can keep your stationery items and pencils in it. I have gave white color base and now dabbing with some random colors on random sides of this bottle. I have used acrylic colors, canvas acrylic colors to paint this. You can write your dreams, your ambitions on it so that you will be motivated all the time.